In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively resize elements on your website using Hostinger's website editor. Whether you're working with images, buttons, or text blocks, understanding how to adjust these elements can enhance the appearance and functionality of your website and ensure it looks great on any device. Let's start by logging into our Hostinger account. Open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to ensure your login information is correct to avoid any delays. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center, where you can access all of your website's tools and settings. From here, select your website, the one you wish to work on, and click on Edit Website. This will take you into the website builder environment, where you can start making changes. Now that we're in the website editor, let's focus on the specific element you want to resize. Hover over the element, be it an image, button, or text block, that you aim to adjust. As you move your cursor over it, you'll notice a slight visual change indicating that the element is active. Click on the element just once, and you'll see small white dots or handles appear around it. These are the resize handles, essential tools that allow us to modify the element's dimensions. With the resize handles visible, it's time to make adjustments. Click and hold on one of the corner handles if you're working with an element like an image, where maintaining proportionality is important. As you drag the handle, notice how the image maintains its original aspect ratio, ensuring it doesn't become distorted. For elements where you may want to adjust either the width or height independently, such as text blocks, use the side handles. These let you expand or contract the dimensions without affecting the other side. It's all about finding the right balance that fits your design needs. As you're resizing, keep an eye out for the guidelines that appear. These are incredibly helpful in maintaining proper alignment and spacing with other elements on your page. They act like a safety net, helping ensure your website looks visually appealing and professionally formatted. Take advantage of these guidelines to check that everything lines up as you intend. With these steps, resizing elements on your Hostinger site becomes a straightforward task. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time experimenting with different elements and adjustments to really get the feel of it. Feel free to review the video again if needed, and once you're comfortable, you'll be resizing like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.